Hi. We're still doing grade 12 mathematics paper 1 November 2018. For this video, we'll be doing 1.3. Okay, solving this without a calculator because we've been using this calculator. So we want us to solve this here without a calculator. You're given 3 power 9x equals to 4 and 5 power root p is equals to 4, and they want us to solve using this information above. Solve this without the use of calculator. Okay, so let's try and do that. So you have this 1.13. Let me just use black. 1.3. So you're given 3 power 9x equals to 64, and you're given root 5 power root p is equal to 64. Okay, and you want to solve for 3x minus 1 power 3 root 5 power root p. That's what you are trying to solve using these informations here. So let's try simplify this here. Okay, and see what you're gonna get. Before we do that, let me just give you some notes. You know that 3 power ax squared, let me just make a to be 2 for argument's sake. 3 squared a 3 power 2x power 2 is the same as 2 times 2x, which is the same as 4x. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here. That's what we're gonna do here. This is the same as 3x. Okay, let me just remove this because it's gonna look like it's a division sign, but it's not. So this same is 3 power 3x times 3 is equal to 64. You know that, right? You see that 2x, that's 2x, that 3x, that 3x. You see that? That's 9, that's 4. It's 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 3 times 3, 9. So that's what we did. And then you can also simplify 64. 64 can be simplified. I want 64 to be power of 3. So we can have 4 power 3. Just punch it in the calculator. You see 4 power 3 is 64. So you have 3x power 3. And you know that a squared is equal to b squared. This gives that a and b are the same. If the exponent is the same, then the bases are the same. Remember that. So this implies that 3 power 3x is the same as 4. So we've got that. We've simplified this as much as possible. And now let's try. Hold up. This was not root p. It was. This is 5 root p. Okay. So to simplify this, to make 5 to be root 5, because of root 5 here, we can just introduce the root, square roots. It's gonna be square root of 5 root p is equal to square root of 64. Okay, and then you're gonna have root 5 root p is square root of 64. You're gonna see the square root of 64 is 8, because 8 squared is 64. Okay, so yeah, so you have that. From here, it's easy. It's easy from here. It's easy from here. Let me just take this here. It's easy from here. Now here's black. Now let's simplify this. You have 3 power x times 3 minus 1, 3. How do I know that? You know that, remember that a x minus 2 is the same as a x times a minus 2, or it's the same as a x over a squared. Same thing. So I just choose just to use this one here. Okay, this is over. Well, we know this is that. So this is 8. That's nice. And this is 3. So now this is 3 power 3x times 3 power minus 3. How do I know that? Remember that if you have ax here using this, ax times minus 2, or in general, if you have ax squared, it's the same as a to x. So if you have ax times a minus 2 is the same as a to x times a minus 4. Okay, so that's what we did here. We said 3x times negative 3 minus 3. This is over 8. Now we know what is 3x. 3 power 3x is 4 times, we know 3 power negative 3, you can even punch it in a calculator, but don't use a calculator. So we know this is 1 over 9. How do I know that? You know that a over a is the same as a over 1 power a. Okay, so this is definitely 3, let me use black, 3 power 3 over 8. Okay, 3 power 3 over 8. Okay, and yeah, so it was not 9, by the way, it was 27. This is 4 times 1 over 27 over 8. Okay, and try to simplify this further. It's going to be 4 over 27 times 8. It's going to be 2 over 27 times, it's going to be, this is going 4 divided by 8. This is 1 over 27 times 2. And 27 times 2 is 54. Not 84. 54. So that's your answer. Okay, simple as that. Thank you.